Hello everyone. If you enjoy eating milk and cookies, then you will like this recipe because this is a combination of cookies and milk in one snack. It is super simple and it requires very little ingredients to make. Join me, let me show you how to make it. Into a bowl, we'll be adding 200 grams of soft butter. It is important that your butter is soft. But if your butter is not soft, you can put in the microwave for just 10 seconds. Next, we'll be adding 1 cup of icing sugar and 2 tablespoons of powdered milk. We'll go ahead and mix the ingredients together until it's properly combined and it's very creamy. Next, we'll go ahead and add our remaining ingredients. That is 3 cups of all-purpose flour, but we'll be adding 1 cup at a time. At this stage, it may be difficult to mix with your spatula. You can use your hands to mix it, or you can transfer the dough to a work surface and mix it until it's properly combined. After mixing your dough, the texture should look like this. Now we are going to roll out the dough using a rolling pin to 1/2 inch thickness and until it forms a rectangle or a square. Now that we are finished rolling out the dough, we are going to cut out the rough edges to have a perfect rectangle or a perfect square shape. Now it's time to cut our dough into the cookie shape we want it to have. We will be cutting into strips. Because our dough strips are long, we'll be dividing it into 3 to have a smaller shape. But if you want yours long like this, you can leave it like this or divide it into 2. This is how mine looks like. Remember, you can make your own into any shape of your choice. Transfer the cookies to a baking tray layered with parchment paper. Next, we'll go ahead and make some designs on the cookies. I'll be using this to make certain designs on the cookies. Next, we'll go ahead and bake these bad boys in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes at 150 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit, or until it looks beautifully golden brown. This is what mine looks like after baking. Allow it to cool down completely before storing in an airtight container. These cookies last up to 1 month if properly stored. You can use these cookies for your morning coffees or your evening tea times. It is perfect for every occasion and it is so delicious. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel to be a part of this family. Leave a comment below to show me your support. It encourages me to do more. Also check out the other videos in this channel. I'm sure you'll find something else you love. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be recreating this recipe at home. If you have any questions or suggestions, drop it in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.